Ed, what kind of momentum did we get from the American markets late last week?
Laura, we were expecting a very flat day for the stock market this morning, but it's actually opened higher on some better performance from infrastructure companies today. So the ASX 200 is up about 0.4%. Tomorrow's the Reserve Bank cash rate decision, and normally days before the cash rate decision, trading's a bit muted, a bit lower, as people are waiting to see what the Reserve Bank does, because tomorrow's quite a significant cash rate. It's expected to be kept on hold for quite a while, but the RBA governor is actually speaking at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and a lot of people are keen to hear what he's got to say. He's expected to wind back the economic stimulus, the quantitative easing program they've had in place for basically the last 12 months. So really in wait and see mode, the market. That's what we're expecting today anyway, but the market is actually up reasonably well, actually, about 0.4% in early trade. So good start to the week.
That sounds very good indeed. Now, Ed, what's happening with Sydney Airport? A group of investors have tried to, or at least put in a takeover bid?
They have, and I think this is really the reason why the stock market is up this morning. They've lobbed a bid, $22.3 billion, to buy out all of the shares in Sydney Airport. So Sydney Airport shares last traded around $5.80. The bid is at $8.25. This morning, Sydney Airport shares have rocketed up about 38% in early trade. So they're about $8 at the moment. So this is a group of investors that have offered $22 billion for Sydney Airport. It's a great asset. It's the busiest airport in Australia. It's just 8 kilometres from the Sydney CBD, and in 2018 it had about 44 million passengers go through its gates. So obviously the number of passengers is much lower at the moment, but this consortium that's offering the money is obviously seeing the value in Sydney Airport and putting forward the offer. The board of Sydney Airport is now going to consider this offer, and they're going to take their time doing that. But it's putting a bit of a premium on Sydney Airport's share price at the moment. Still lower, though, than what Sydney Airport's price used to be before COVID. It was around $9. Today, after this takeover offer, it's around the $8 mark.
Okay, Ed, thanks so much.